Have you ever looked in the mirror and felt that sudden wave of worry, seeing an unexpected red, itchy patch on your skin? That familiar sting of a skin allergy that just seems to appear out of nowhere, ruining your day and your confidence. What if I told you that the most powerful, soothing remedies aren't hidden behind a pharmacy counter, but are already sitting in your kitchen waiting to be discovered? Welcome. Today we are unlocking the ultimate guide to an ultra homemade remedy for skin allergies using ingredients you can trust, completely natural and incredibly effective. First, let's understand the enemy. Skin allergies are often your body's inflammatory response to an irritant, causing that redness, swelling, and unbearable itch. The goal of our homemade formula is to fight that inflammation, calm the histamine response, and deeply nourish your skin back to health. Our hero ingredient is raw, organic honey. Not just any honey, but preferably Manuka or a local raw variant, a natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory marvel that creates a protective barrier and speeds up healing. Next, we harness the cooling power of pure aloe vera gel, straight from the leaf if you have it, which is packed with vitamins and enzymes to reduce redness and provide instant, gentle relief from that burning sensation. To this, we add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, a centuries-old anti-inflammatory powerhouse that tackles swelling at its core. But a word of caution, it can stain, so we'll mix it perfectly. And finally, the secret weapon, 2 tablespoons of plain, cold yogurt, full of probiotics and lactic acid to soothe irritation and restore your skin's natural pH balance. Here's how you make this ultra remedy. In a clean glass bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and the yogurt. Mix it into a smooth, golden paste. Now, gently cleanse your skin with cool water, pat it dry with a soft cloth, and using a clean brush or your fingertips, apply a generous, even layer of this mixture solely to the affected area. Leave this healing mask on for 20 full minutes. Feel that cooling, tingling sensation as it starts to work. Then, rinse it off thoroughly with lukewarm water using gentle circular motions and pat your skin dry. Follow this up with a single drop of cold-pressed coconut oil to lock in moisture. For best results, use this treatment twice a day, morning and evening, and you should notice a significant reduction in redness and itch within the first 24 to 48 hours. Remember, consistency is key. While this ultra homemade remedy is a powerful natural solution, it's for minor allergic reactions. Please always do a patch test on a small area of your skin first. And if symptoms are severe or persist, definitely consult a healthcare professional. But for those everyday flare-ups, this blend is your skin's best friend. So don't let skin allergies control your life. Take back your comfort and your glow with the power of your own pantry. Give this ultra remedy a try and feel the difference for yourself. Thank you so much for listening. And if you found this useful, please share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear your success story.